Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your headphones Baseus Bowie H1. You have a few options how to do this. We can use an application or we can use controls. Now, let's get started by use the application. You need to open Baseus app and of course you need to add your headphones there. Then you will see them at the device list and just tap on them. And at the left side we have ambient sound. Tap at this button, and to enable transparency mode you need to click at the icon at the middle. And as you can see, this one is transparency mode. To disable it you need to swap or to ANC or to the normal mode. But as I said previous, we can use the controls, and by default, right here at the left ear cup we have ANC button. To swap to transparency mode, you need to press one time at this button. If you use normal mode, you will swap to the transparency mode. Here we go. To disable it also you need to press one time and then you will swap to ANC, or if you press again, you will swap to normal mode. Also, we can add to swap between these modes with multifunctional button. So right here in the application you need to go to the gestures and you can set it for the double press or triple press. So right here we need to select ANC mode, and now let's check it. So 1, 2. And as you can see, I just swap with the multifunctional button. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!